A reliable and efficient grill is essential for anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking and wants to elevate their culinary experience. Meet the high-quality portable tabletop gas grill, designed for grilling enthusiasts who need a convenient and powerful solution for outdoor cooking. With a durable stainless steel cooking grate and lid, this grill ensures even heat distribution, allowing you to cook large cuts of meat like thick steaks and ribs with precision, much like an oven. Lightweight and compact, it sets up in under 10 minutes, making it ideal for camping trips, picnics, or backyard gatherings. Its folding legs and locking cover allow for easy storage in your car, while the carrying handle makes transportation effortless. Equipped with two 10,000 BTU burners and individual control knobs, it provides precise temperature control for fast and even heating. The built-in thermometer allows you to monitor cooking temperatures with ease, ensuring perfect results every time. Plus, the drip tray simplifies cleanup by collecting grease and drippings, making this grill as practical as it is enjoyable. Keeping food and drinks cold during outdoor activities is essential for freshness and enjoyment. Introducing the Maelstrom Soft Cooler Bag, an extra large capacity, holding up to 30 cans while remaining lightweight at just 1.98 pounds. Perfect for camping, picnicking, BBQs, or any outdoor adventure, it has enough room to pack food, drinks, and even seafood. Its advanced 5-layer insulation design keeps items cold for up to 12 hours. With a ripstop 600D Oxford exterior, waterproof PVC, and a leak-proof tear-resistant interior made from food-grade PEVA. Durability is key, with reinforced double-stitched shoulder straps and handles designed to carry heavy loads. Its double-decker design includes a foil-insulated top compartment, ideal for storing sandwiches or frozen items. When not in use, the bag conveniently folds flat for easy storage. Versatile and reliable, this cooler is perfect for camping, road trips, food delivery, or grocery transport, making it an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Having a comfortable pillow while camping is essential for a good night's sleep and overall well-being. Introducing the DreamCare Camping Pillow, designed to provide comfort and support during your outdoor adventures. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry, rolling up effortlessly into the included water-resistant bag, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your camping gear. Ergonomically shaped with a unique hourglass design, this pillow contours perfectly to the curves of your neck and shoulders, offering optimal support for all sleeping positions and reducing strain during your rest. Crafted from premium memory foam, it delivers superior softness and comfort, with adjustable foam pieces to meet your individual preferences. The pillow comes encased in a soft micro-suede cover, providing a cozy and luxurious feel. For added convenience, the removable cover is machine washable and dryer friendly, making cleaning hassle-free. With OEcoTex and CertiPur certifications, you can trust that you're sleeping in a healthy environment, ensuring sweet dreams wherever you go. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking shelter during camping adventures, a reliable tent is essential for protection against the elements. Meet the Nature Hike Double-Layer Camping Tent, designed for durability and comfort in various conditions. Constructed with Aero Metal aircraft-grade aluminum and ripstop polyester fabric, this tent can withstand maximum winds of 54 miles per hour, ensuring stability in harsh weather. Its X-shaped crossbar structure enhances structural integrity and allows for a quick, self-standing setup in minutes. This tent features a waterproof rainfly made of 210T polyester and a tent floor crafted from 150D Oxford fabric, capable of withstanding up to 2,000 millimeters of water pressure. keeping you dry even in heavy rain. The silver-coated material provides UV resistance with UPF 50+, effectively blocking harmful rays and reducing skin damage. Versatile and spacious, the inner tent can be used independently, providing breathability and protection against mosquitoes. Its innovative variable diameter 10-pole design optimizes space for camping cots, pillows, and sleeping pads, making it perfect for camping, festivals, backyard gatherings, or sleepovers. When camping or hiking, a portable cooking solution is essential to prepare meals in remote locations. Introducing the Extremis Portable Camping Stove, a lightweight and reliable option made from durable aircraft aluminum, designed for outdoor adventures. Compact in size, it easily folds down for storage and fits into a backpack or travel bag, making it perfect for hikers and campers. With a cooking surface that expands to support pots up to 8 inches in diameter, this stove is highly versatile. The burner's design ensures efficient airflow, optimizing heat output for quick meal preparation. The adjustable fuel valve allows you to control the heat, ranging from a gentle simmer to a rapid boil. This camping stove is compatible with 7/16 of an inch threaded butane or butane propane single fuel canisters, making it convenient and easy to use. It also comes with a drawstring storage bag and includes folding utensils, a fork, and a spoon, providing all the essentials for outdoor cooking in one compact package.